Hello, welcome to the Eagle6 Airsoft video. We're just going to be testing this TM SGR12. It came in for repair, not feeding on single shots. That's the tappet plate spring. It always is. We do a new one and we've replaced that. And that's pretty much it, really. So just double check the paperwork to make sure. So we've also got the bearings that we've replaced, so going from the plastic bushings to bearings, so we thought we'd do that while we're in there, obviously service and clean, and we've also done the box mag conversion on there, which you can see. So obviously this is just removable box mag thing, and then obviously you can put this on the side there, which is pretty cool. So that's done, and we just want to demonstrate it working now. So to be fair to the feeding system on these, so I know obviously it's unfortunate when their springs go and stuff, but you know, high caps, you know, it's really important that there's consistent feeding on guns, you know, as obviously the tappet plates go backwards and forwards, and obviously I know everyone likes using high caps and box mags and stuff, but they just aren't as consistent at feeding or as fast as feeding as obviously mid caps, you know, and it's especially prevalent on high-speed builds and stuff where you have to have a good mid cap, you know, to feed. Otherwise, you know, say potentially can cause problems and stuff. And you know, like I say, if unfortunately on these guns, you know, periodically that spring goes and breaks and stuff, well, it's like I say, it's a small price to pay to obviously keep these going and working and maintained. Because obviously, what's the other option? What, we don't use high caps and box mags? It's not going to happen, is it? You know, so unfortunately, we just got to use them, and we'll obviously keep monitoring the situation. But yeah, like I say, we do a spring now, and like I say, it's just a matter of replacing it and seeing how it goes again, and hopefully everything's all good now. So but as you can see, it's all tested and working. Any problems, let us know, and we hope you enjoy it. Okay, thank you.